I'm Pamela Williams with Pamela Williams Interior Design, and I just want to share with you some post-pandemic design trends that we are expecting to be on the rise in the interior design world, as well as just the overall built environment. The first trend is embracing the niks-in. And that is a Dutch term that basically means doing nothing. And I don't know if you've noticed, but in this crisis, we have definitely slowed down our lifestyles, and we are able to see how much of a benefit it is to have this time and space to do nothing, to just not have a purpose of doing anything every day, and just getting that time for your brain to recharge, relax, and then have that overall productivity down the road be more beneficial to you. So with that being said, that'll be reflected in the interior design industry through more sanctuary-like spaces being incorporated into homes. And these sanctuary spaces would serve purposes for just taking a chill pill, relaxing, doing nothing, meditating, a nice reading corner. But we're definitely going to see more sanctuary-like spaces within the home that provide that space to just relax, recharge, and rest our brains. Another trend that is on the rise is working from home. And working from home is so huge right now. There's so many different clients that are coming in that just want to have either a space built into their home for office space, or their office space is redesigned and updated, and just, to feel good because they are working from home a lot more than they were before. And this crisis has really proven to companies that didn't believe in this model that it's actually possible to work from home as much as we are today and still be super productive. So a lot of companies are probably going to continue to allow their employees to remain working from home just for the sake of well-being, for overall life, and just a better sustainable life, because we don't have to drive as much and hurt the environment, all that good stuff. Another trend that we are anticipating being on the rise is voice control and easy to use technology. Now, more than ever, we are starting to consider how many surfaces our hands touch in our homes throughout the day. I mean, we touch doorknobs, light switches, faucets. I was already kind of OCD before the coronavirus came about, but I'm super on 10 now. I put hand sanitizer on my hands all the time. They're so dry and cracked, it's ridiculous. But that's just how I am. So, voice technology will really help us to control our home and even create a smart home type of situation, so that we can move around and just use our voices to control what we're doing from day to day. Plus, having this helpful solution is good for people that might be living alone, or for, our elderly parents and things like that, so that they are able to still seek help if they need it, and things like that. So voice control and easy to use technology just helps everyone across the board. Another trend we are seeing is trying to incorporate the lifestyle we had before COVID into our home somehow, some way. So the art of hosting is definitely on the rise, and the idea that the home is the safest place has been pretty much cemented in society today. So people are now looking for different ways to create self-sufficient living environments, whereas before we were going out to, bars or other venues to have that kind of social interaction. So people are doing a lot more of incorporating larger televisions into their homes, more televisions into their homes, even having cool theaters and things like that being designed. People are incorporating more bars into their space, so when they do host people and have people over, there's a cute little bar area. And there's a lot more attention to cozy seating areas and more intention behind what kind of seating is incorporated into the home for those times where you want to host different people. And the last trend that we believe will be major post-pandemic is less is more and local is better. So we are discovering that yes, we can definitely survive with less. We do not need all the stuff we had going on before the COVID crisis, and we will continue to be in that kind of mindset as the crisis starts to wane. So there is definitely a stronger sense of community and a greater sensitivity towards the environment right now, and that'll definitely be reflected in the way we treat our homes and interior design. So we are definitely seeing a rise in local design and craftsmanship, with government bodies providing more support to those local and small businesses. So what we're potentially going to see is a massive reduction in global sourcing and getting products and things like that shipped over from other countries to support economic and environmental sustainability. So, the future is now, and aligning your home with all the changes that are happening around us will only help you to feel more healthy and happier in your space as we begin to navigate a new world post-pandemic. So if you need any additional information or you want to know more about how these current design trends can be implemented in your home, please click the link in the description. Check us out at PamelaWilliams.design and set up an appointment. We are doing complimentary appointments right now, so check us out and see what we can do for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.